everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to animate your photos using YouCam AI's effect. If you want to turn still pictures into dynamic moving animations for free, here's how to do it step by step. Go to the App Store and install your YouCam AI Pro by Perfect Crop. Open the app and sign in. No payment needed for the basic effect. Tap AI tools on the bottom and then go to animate photos or AI effects. The name may vary by version. Choose a photo from your gallery and then portraits work the best. After that, you can AI offers several motions and cinematic options like parallax or motion, tissue effects, floating sparkles, snow or light trees, AI dynamic effects, face animation. Tap one and preview how your photo animates instantly. Use sliders to control animation speed, direction, and intensity. You can even combine effects, for example, moving background plus cooling highlights. Enhance your animation by adding filters, stickers, or captions. This makes your edit perfect for reels or stories. Tap export MP4 or GIF. Choose resolution HD recommended and save it to your Photos app, or share directly to Instagram, TikTok, or Threads. Step number 7: get extra effects for free. You can refreshes free effects daily. Go to AI effects free for today to unlock premium animations without subscription. Selfie tip: use professional photos only. Avoid uploading group pictures where others haven't consent to animation. Quick fix: if the animation looks weird, use a clear, high quality photo. Avoid busy or cluttered backgrounds. Simple scenes animate best. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick